visit the Hoover Dam on this all-inclusive tour from Las Vegas with a small group. With a knowledgeable guide, learn about the history and mechanics of the dam through engaging and informative commentary. Walk through the displays and exhibits at the visitor center, then take the power plant tour. The highlight is a 45-minute walk on the top. This tour is one of the only excursions from Las Vegas to offer this feature. Round-trip transportation from select Las Vegas hotels and a restaurant lunch are included. Highlights: 6.5-hour day trip to the Hoover Dam from Las Vegas. Walk on the spectacular Hoover Dam for an incredible view and one-of-a-kind photo adventure. Take a power plant tour down into the walls of the Black Canyon. Enjoy a 1-hour guided walk on the top tour to see the spillway. Benefit from knowledgeable guides that provide a sightseeing tour with a difference. Lunch and round-trip transport included. Why our insiders chose this tour? This tour is run by a local family that's super knowledgeable about Hoover Dam in Las Vegas. It's a comprehensive, small group experience that includes a guided walking tour over the top of the dam for some incredible photo ops. What you can expect: guided walk over Hoover Dam following pickup at select Las Vegas hotels, climb into the climate-controlled vehicle for the 45-minute drive to the Hoover Dam. Get to know your guide and small group along the way, learning about Hoover Dam history through your guide's commentary. Upon arrival, start your visit with a power plant tour. Descend 524 feet, 160 meters, into the walls of the Black Canyon to see the Nevada Power Wing. Stroll through the generators and see the enormous pipe inside one of the diversion tunnels. After poking around in the depths of the earth, take the elevator back up to the visitor center. Get a full picture of the Hoover Dam's history through the exhibits and displays that show the building of the dam and its daily operations. The highlight of this tour is the walk on the top portion. Trek over the top of the dam itself for 45 minutes. This excursion is one of the only from Las Vegas to offer this option. Stop by the bypass bridge to see the dam from above, before hopping back into your bus to head back to Las Vegas. During the trip home, stop for lunch to fuel up after your day of learning, seeing and doing. Your 6.5-hour tour concludes with drop-off back at your select hotel in Las Vegas.